YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to reset Birdfy camera, factory reset and reconfiguration guide. So guys, if your model does not support any app reset, so if app is currently offline, so you can reset the device manually. Disconnect the power, remove any attached solar panel or charging cable. So you locate the reset reboot button and open the silicone cover on the camera to find the small reboot hole next to the power button. After that guys, press and hold. So guys, you use the provided ejector pin straight paper clip to press and hold the button for 5 to 10 seconds. Then guys, wait for the indicator, hold until the indicator light changes the color, indicating that the factory reset is in the progress and your Wi-Fi credentials have erased. Then reconnect after reset. After resetting, your camera will be in pairing mode and ready to be re-added to your account. Then guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe.